In this episode, viewers are introduced to the fascinating Vinegar Volcano experiment. Start by placing baking soda at the bottom of a small container resembling a volcano. When vinegar is poured onto the baking soda, a bubbly eruption occurs. This spectacular display is a result of an acid-base reaction, where the vinegar acid reacts with the baking soda base to produce carbon dioxide gas. The gas bubbles expand, creating pressure, which forces the lava to flow out. This engaging experiment showcases fundamental chemistry principles, encouraging viewers to think critically about chemical reactions and try creating their own volcanic eruptions at home.